This is Jeff Mucci from RCR Wireless News. We're here today with Amir Lahat from Nokia Siemens Networks. And Amir, you've been given a new responsibility lately. Tell us a little bit about what it means to be Head of Business Ventures for NSN.
So Head of Business Ventures for NSN is a function that works both with external startups and venture capital.
Right.
As well as recently we launched the internal incubation, what we call Startups at NSN.
Right.
This activity we launched just in last Christmas, where basically we're trying to create speed inside the company and with our customers to bring new solutions to the market rapidly in a new fashion, new delivery for those solutions.
Okay. So tell me I want to come back and talk more about startups at NSN, but how did you come to be at NSN? And how did you end up in this role?
I joined NSN in the early 2008 through an acquisition. They acquired the company I co-founded called Atrica in the carrier Ethernet space. And after helping to integrate the company inside NSN, I basically created the role called Business Ventures in the company.
Right.
How to collaborate with external venture company and building new solutions for the company.
So walk me through the process that you went through to come up with the idea for startups at NSN.
Sure. So working with NSN the last almost 3 years, I saw we have great products and great solutions for operators.
Right.
But the operators are getting more and more threatened by internet providers who are providing new solutions for the end users, basically over the top. So they need a faster speed of their suppliers like us, who can create better solution and faster to the market, the internet speed and not the telecom speed.
Right.
Usually the processes inside large corporations take, scale of a couple of years or long months to create new solutions to the customers. So I was looking what way we can basically create a startup environment. We can do things much faster in a less restricted environment and get those solutions to make our customers, the operator, more competitive. That was basically the starting point. So then we look around what we have. We have great people in so many countries. How we can really leverage their knowledge and their experience to make this solution available. And we kind of created on the internet the right pages to attract ideas and attract people to join the program. We got amazing amount of people and ideas coming from hundreds of places, all the different ranks of the organization, all the different types of people, developers, support, sales, solution managers, as well as different countries, all the way from South America through North America, Europe and Asia.
Right.
So we got quite a broad variety and experience of ideas how basically we can create new solutions for our customers.
And so I think you said you've pulled a team of people together.
Yeah.
So talk a little bit about the team you've assembled and what it really means to NSN.
At the beginning we collected a lot of ideas in a very short time, and then we figured out we have probably a lot of ideas how we can sort through. We call for people who will come and help us to select those top ideas, what we called. It was not really clear which one is the best one.
Right.
So we put kind of a challenging questionnaire on the intranet for people to come and apply to join those idea selection.
Right.
It was more out of the ordinary questions, to be more creative about, new logo, a new campaign, new solutions which are not in telecom. And we look for the more creative thinkers. We brought them in, selected a small team of them, and they basically helped to run through the ideas, integrate a lot of them together, not selecting some others. And at the end we have a handful of what we call are going to be, good candidate for the startup program.
Sure. So what was the next step?
The next step was the execution. So once we have now the ideas in our hands, now we need to make them happen.
Right.
So we create another more technical-oriented questionnaire for people to come and join the development phase, the execution phase. And again, using tools usually not inside companies, more open source, more internet-based tools, other creative ways of how to create things, not just for telecom.
Right.
Again, look for the more creative developers who can come and join us, as well as people with experience who can lead the teams. We selected a group of those teams, and who basically assigned to different one of those ideas that we selected before.
Mm-hmm.
And now those people are coming from over 20 countries. Will come and basically will help us to make those ideas into reality, into prototypes.
So I think you said you have 30 people now,
Yeah,
more or
roughly,
less,
yeah.
on the team. A lot of big companies start initiatives. Why do you think this particular initiative is actually going to produce something within a big corporation like NSN?
Well, it's a great question. I think we've been able to change a bit the game.
Mm-hmm.
We're getting ideas from different people in the organization,
Right.
as well as from the outside.
Mm-hmm.
We've been able to leverage our internal talented people
Mm-hmm.
and almost extract them or disconnect them from their units.
Mm-hmm.
So they don't really have the daily, routine and processes as well as daily tasks.
Right.
So they have free mind just to go and basically innovate all those new ideas.
Mm-hmm.
As well as working very close with the customers. So we have the customer engaged with us, what we call customer team, the sales, who guide us through the development to tailor the right solutions.
Mm-hmm.
So all those components together and let's call that the unrestricted environment,
Right.
to get those done things quicker, we have probably a better chance, maybe like a VC.
Mm-hmm. So what kind of buy-in do you have from the top ranks of the company?
So I think we've been benefit enough to have this, extreme support from the CEO and all the executive board who are helping us to make this program a reality,
Right.
releasing their people and getting their blessing to have a lot of collaboration from the units to make those programs available.
What can we expect to see from this group over the next 12 months? Not so much specific products, but how will we know that you're getting where you want to go?
Well, we believe quite a few of our customers are engaged right now,
Mm-hmm.
and we're going to work with them demonstrating those new solutions for them. As those solutions are going to be basically confirmed or supported by our customers, we're going to productize them quickly and bring them to market. As well, if those going to be solutions going to be probably going to hear some more demands, we're going to create some more solutions, some more startups,
Right.
to make the new solutions coming up. Overall, I believe we're going to see much more innovative solutions coming faster from NSN to the market.
Okay. And you're a relative newcomer to NSN.
That's true.
And in the United States, I don't think people really understand the depth and scope of NSN internationally. Can you tell us maybe a little bit what you've seen about NSN in terms of their strengths internationally?
And the company, not a lot of people know about it. It's like 65,000 people,
Right.
selling to around probably 300 to 400 operators worldwide. Everything from the infrastructure of the telecom and all the way up to network management, OSS, and applications,
Right.
including many services.
Mm-hmm.
So a variety of our solutions and revenues are coming today not only from the infrastructure that people used to think,
Right.
but more than 50% coming from services and software. So it's probably quite a hidden note that nobody knows about anything.
Well, Amir, thanks for stopping by today. We look forward to seeing what unfolds over the next 12 months.
Thank you very much.